Okay, good morning. By today, most of you should have cut up your paper to stuff your animal with. Remember, I just gave you a quick demo yesterday and fill only a portion of the bag. Ideally, you want to have a full bag so that you have enough to fill your stock monster with. So, once again, most of you need to go ahead and turn your stock monster inside out, because if you have it right side out, all the Sharpie lines will just show. So make sure you turn it inside out so it's nice and clean. So before you stitch all your parts together, what you need to do is to fill each part with your stuffing. So you have your option of using paper cutouts. Some of you some of you have polyfill at home, fabric, rice or beans, or even cotton balls. Those items work just fine. But remember, before you stitch the different parts together, you gotta fill them in, okay, to make it nice and fluffy and bulky. Okay, otherwise it's gonna look really flat. But go ahead and spend today, stuff your sock monster. Okay, remember you gotta have eyes, ears, okay, arms and legs on your animal. And then for those of you who are done, go ahead and use the time of the day to add a jacket or a hat or gloves or some type of clothing on your animal, so that I can give you credit for the day, okay? But anyhow, with that said, like I said, take your time, make sure you stuff it. We'll probably spend the day and tomorrow on it, and by Friday we should move on to the next project. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to email me.